This is Fun Across America.
Today's adventure, we are in Peoria, Arizona at Slick City. And this place actually isn't open yet, but by the time that we post this, it will be. This place has all different kinds of slides, an extra jumpy basketball court, and more. Let's go check it out.
Bling.
All right, we are here at Slick City with Jack. This place is not quite open yet, but it's really close. It smells new. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what this place is gonna be?
All right, so we're a family entertainment center. We are all focused on slides, as you can see behind me. It's all frictionless, waterless. We have a special material we paint onto the slides, and we have our special mats that have a frictionless bottom, so you can really catch some speed, catch some air, and it's a super fun time.
Who is gonna be the person that's gonna come in here? Are we gonna have a lot of kids coming in here, a little bit of everyone?
So it is all ages. So to ride on the slide, it's 4 and up, but we do have our junior jungle back there. But there's no restrictions on age. So I've seen people of all ages from 4 to 65, 70 go down some of our slides.
And how long has this been under construction?
Under construction, actually pretty funny. I helped build all these slides. Don't let that deter you, I'm really good. And that started at the end of November. So end of November, it was just a big empty box. And in that time frame, about 6 months, we got it all up and ready.
And I'm sure everyone is here is excited to bring it to the public in the sounds like the next week or so.
Oh yeah, we are so excited. It's it's been kind of a long time. We're all itching to get this place open.
Jack was eager to get Slick City up and running, and I couldn't wait to dive into the slides. We kicked off a full tour of Slick City's expansive and thrilling park.
This is our Royal Flush slide. Super fun. Gives you a nice about 20-foot drop probably. Spins you around and drops you right down here on an airbag. This is my personal favorite, the Blue Wave. It's like a big half pipe, as you can see. Big, awesome drop. Get you up, slide back and forth, right down to our air mat here. Like I said, probably my favorite out of all of them. Some people, probably bigger, will get up to the very top of that wall there. Now, these are definitely our most well-known slides, our mega launches. You'll see, you get some serious air for sure. It's, maybe not for the faint of heart, but probably the coolest one we got.
Obviously, it's called Slick City, and I know you had mentioned kind of initially that part of that name comes from what you do to the paint on the slides that makes it so slick.
Yep. Yeah. So it's like I said, it's a special coating over the top. Then these mats. It's got a really cool frictionless. Oh yeah. And those two combined, and we also oil the slides with this special oil. Like I said, it's frictionless, fast, and super fun.
Does every slide here, do you go down on one of these?
The way to do it, you're always, every single slide, one at a time, you're going head first on your stomach, and you want to keep your elbows in, hand on handles, and your chin up.
With Jack's expert tips under my belt, I was ready to hit top speed. But Slick City had even more in store for us.
And then over here, it kind of looks like we have some space for hanging out, maybe eating some food, having a party. Is that what the space is?
Exactly it. This is both our party decks. So a big part of our business, we do a lot of birthday parties, as you can probably imagine. So we got plenty of space to accommodate for that.
Cool. Is this the first location of Slick City, or are there more?
Nope, so this is our 4th location. First one was Denver, Colorado, followed shortly after by St. Louis. Then just this winter, we opened one in Katy, Texas.
This is the part that I'm most excited about. I love basketball, and I don't know, are these trampolines, or what are they?
They are air courts.
Air courts.
Yeah, they're bouncy. They're not quite like trampoline where you can double bounce people, etc., but closer to like a gymnastics pad. But don't get it wrong. You can definitely get some good air time and throw down some dunks.
And then last but not least, we've got our city cafe here. People are gonna work up an appetite, jumping around, sliding around.
We do chicken strips, largely pizzas are super popular, obviously with the parties, and pretzel bites, nachos, chicken tenders.
After that, my mouth was watering. But as I told Jack, I had to satiate my need for speed first. If you love speed, slides, and the rush of a good thrill, Slick City is the place for you.
So that was Slick City. It is time for us to go slide into our next adventure. I will see you at the next place.